Hello friends, my today's video topic is rank functions. Rank functions are special function in MySQL. As I told in last video that there are few functions which are in only advanced MySQL. So one of them is rank function. There are three type of rank function. First I am going to tell you this. And the ranking function in MySQL are used to rank each row of a partition. The ranking function are also part of MySQL Windows function list, and these functions are used to rank each row of a partition. We do a partition, and in that particular partition they rank each row. These functions are always used with overflows. The ranking function always assign rank on the basis of order by clause. We order by on some particular condition and then it rank on that condition. The rank is assigned to row in a sequential manner. Okay. The assignment of rank to rows always start with 1 for every new partition. The assignment of rank to rows assigned with 1, not with 0. Assigned with 1 for every new partition. So there are three type of ranking function we support in MySQL. Dense rank. What is dense rank? Dense ranks will assign rank to each row within a partition without gaps. Basically, the ranks are assigned in a consecutive manner. If there is a tie between values, then they will be assigned the same rank. And the next rank will be one greater than the previous rank. So it is so in particular partition without gap, it is started from 1 and it is on the basis of partition it will goes up to n rank. If there are some tie or the result is same or there is something which is similar, then there may be a same rank is assigned to both the values, and after that there will be a plus one value will be there. See, if there is any property which is in two rows but has same specification on some basis on which we are assigning rank, then in row 2 and 3, the rank will be 2 in row 1, but in row 4, the rank will be 4. Now, next one, rank. This function will assign rank to each row within a partition with gaps. Here, ranks are assigned in a non-consecutive manner. If there is a tie between values, they will be assigned same rank, and the next rank will be the previous plus number of peers, means number of duplicates. So, in this, there will be a assignment of rank with gaps in non-consecutive manner, means it's not a consecutive 1 2 3 4. If there is a tie, then will be a, means if there is some duplicate value, the one value plus the number of duplicates will be assigned to them. Okay. And the last one is percent rank. It returns the percentile rank of a row within a partition that ranges from 0 to 1. Percentile rank where maximum range is 1 and minimum is 0. It tells a percentage of partition value less than the value in the current row excluding the highest value. So if there is a range in some partition, it will show the value in terms of percentage between 0 to 100%. Okay. Now, what is the syntax of the rank? Rank, the syntax of, first I am going to tell you syntax of rank function. How it goes? It goes to rank within bracket over, then we use partition by, then we use order by, and expression ascending descending expression. So if we are going to write a query with rank, then it's started with itself. Then we have overclose here. We have overclose, which is used to indicate on what range or window we want to use rank. We start with rank within overclose. We have two parts, one is partition by and other is order by. Both of these specific keywords are followed by expressions and multiple type of expression. Partition by and order by is followed by some expression. It may be one expression and it may be number of expressions. So we will be looking partition by After some classes at later stage, let us understand what is the order by. You need to sort entire data set in manner so that you can assign the ranks in the order in which we have sorted it. To sort that, we have used order by. Order by clause we have used to sort in the range. So the expression itself will determine what types of sorting needs to be done. What type of sorting needs to be done. In this case, say we sorting it in the ascending order of some particular column. We are sorting it in the ascending order of some particular column. You can write ascending or descending. If we want ascending value, then we have to mention ascending, otherwise it is descending. By default, if you are not mentioning, as I already told you in my last class, it means it's in ascending order. So this is brief about syntax of the rank function. Now, I hope you understood how to write it down. We have to start from rank over some property, partition by some expression, order by expression in ascending descending order. Where we use, basically why we use. Now I am going to tell you why we use. See, when we are using top n query till now in MySQL, we can have top three from bottom and top 1, top 10 like this. But we don't have uh, the range between 1 to 100. Okay. We don't have a rank over all the quantities. All the quantity means if there are 1,000 values in some partition, we can rank here all 1,000 by using rank function. But this is the disadvantage in order by group by when we use order by DESC clause. Then it's have a limitation. But and in order by it will also filter out some few rows from there. Maybe which is not necessary in that particular condition. This is a limitation for DSC or ASC clause. But when we use the rank function, it will have all the attributes in particular row. We don't need to filter out any condition there. Okay. So here there is no loss of data. If we, in short, we can say there is no loss of data if we want multiple rows, n number of rows, and every rows with 100 of attributes, with 100 of properties, we just want to rank every row. Then we can easily assign it, easily can do it by rank function, which is not possible by DESC, ASC clause in order by or group by, which we were previously using few classes back. So this is the importance of rank function. No data is missing anywhere, and we can rank the data up to the way we want. It's not limited to top 3, top 5, top or least 3, top least 5, nothing like this. We can rank entire the data in some few partition by some order. Okay, I hope you understood. Now we can move to the practical example in my next video. Thank you friends. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.